Here's the app called Planty, plant identifier, care, tree identification ad free. So do your plant die despite your best effort? Want to be a better plant parent? See your plants with Planty. Watch them grow healthy and strong. Download Planty now and try it for free. Have trouble taking care of your plants? Say goodbye to your plant care problems. Here's Planty. Planty is a plant care guide and companion app that helps you identify plants around you. Find the info and set up care reminders for any plant. Try it now for free. Planty was developed by consulting expert botanists and hundreds of plant parents from around the world. Smart plant identification system, advanced disease and pest diagnosis, customizable watering reminders, the most updated plant information. So yeah, here you can just double click to install it. Get care info, diagnose plants disease, set reminders. And then here you have it. So then you can just continue with the account and try for free. So here weekly $7, monthly $10. And yeah, just added your plant. You can see caring guides. You can see diagnose with AI. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Very good, well designed, well made app. So try it out.